A battle is brewing in the legislature over funding health care for undocumented immigrants. Newly released statistics show more than double the number of people have applied for MNCare than legislative analysts predicted last year. Fox 9's Corin Hoggard is live at the Capitol tonight. And Corin, part of the fight is what those enrollments actually mean for taxpayers.
Yeah, that's right, Simone. Republicans point to the bottom line cost to MNCare, which would be about $450 million over the next 4 years. That would go to the taxpayers' bottom line. But Democrats say there are actually cost savings when you don't send people to the ER. And they have support from a long list of groups that don't always see eye to eye. Undocumented immigrants first got access to MNCare on January 1st. The DFL trifecta gave it to them, knowing it could cost $50 million a year based on the estimated enrollment numbers from nonpartisan legislative analysts. They expected to insure about 7,800 undocumented immigrants. More than 17,000 signed up in the first 3 months.
We should not be surprised by this dramatic increase, because this program creates an incentive for illegal immigrants to come here to Minnesota.
House Republicans have proposed a bill to cut undocumented immigrants out of the system. At current enrollment levels, it could save the state more than $100 million a year. Money they say could instead go to other parts of the healthcare ecosystem.
Let's prioritize Minnesotans first, and let's ensure that our budget is balanced here in Minnesota, and that our priorities are with Minnesotans first.
Democrats oppose the change, and they have support from hospitals, religious organizations, labor unions, and insurers. They say spending on MNCare actually saves money by keeping people away from the ER. Hospital executives say they spent $460 million in charity care in 2023 alone.
When people are covered and they have access to care, they can seek preventative care as well as vaccinations, which improves public health.
The state's Catholic Church points to the words of the leader they lost Monday as guiding their opposition.
We welcome immigrants when convenient and also punish them when doing so is advantageous. They are, as Pope Francis has said, pawns on the chessboard of humanity.
And there are no compromises currently on the table, but Catholic leaders may have stumbled upon one. They said, at the very least, the state should cover health care for all children. Live at the Capitol, Corin Hoggard, Fox 9.